Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking dirty rice. These are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need 1 pound of Italian sausage. You can get the mild one. We're going to need long grain rice, 1.5 cups of rice. You need 1/4 of the doubly sauce, salt and pepper at your taste. You need chicken stock. You need orange, red, green, and yellow bell peppers, 1 celery rib, 1 white onion, garlic, parsley, olive oil, Cajun seasoning, and that's about it. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so we're going to start off by cutting our bell peppers. I'm going to be prepping our bell peppers. Okay, so after we finish slicing our bell peppers, we're going to use only half of each bell pepper. So let's go ahead and separate just half of what you slice, and you can use this for another meal. When we finish separating all the bell peppers that we need, then we're going to start chopping them. Okay, this is about a good amount. Okay, so once you finish chopping your bell peppers, then you're going to chop your celery and your onion. So right now we're just going to transfer our bell pepper into a different dish. Okay, so now we turn on our stove to medium-high. We're going to add our olive oil. Now the Italian sausage, it has a sleeve like the chorizo, so make sure to take it out of the sleeve before you put it on your pan. Well, at least this brand, it has a sleeve. I don't know about the other brands, so just make sure if you're going to use this brand, just make sure to remove the sausage from the sleeve. Just squeeze it out. You don't need to cut it with a knife or scissors. Oh, this one's ready. Now just let it cook for a little while to separate it. We're not going to add any spices yet. So let's separate it. So we're going to leave it here for 2 minutes. We'll check it again in 2 minutes. It's a medium-high heat. Okay, so after 2 minutes, you check your sausage. Just mix it up. We don't want any pink on the sausage. We just want it to have a nice crust, so we can bring out all the delicious flavors. Okay, so the sausage is nice and brown already. Has a nice crust to it. It's not pink. Let's lower it to medium heat. It's a medium-high. Now we're going to add the 1/4 cup of the W sauce. Mix it up real good. Make sure everything gets that flavor. Okay, so now we're ready to add our vegetables. We have all of our vegetables here, all the bell peppers, the onion, and the celery. Let's mix them up real good. Oh, look at all the beautiful colors. Okay. So now that we have our vegetables with our sausage, let's go ahead and raise it up to medium-high for 2 minutes, and then we'll add the garlic after we're done. Okay, so after 2 minutes, we stir it up a little bit. Okay, now we're ready to add our garlic. We're using 1 teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic. Okay, this is about right. Okay, mix it up. Okay, so now we're going to add our 1.5 cups of rice. One and a half. Mix it up. We want to brown our rice. Want it nice and brown, so we're going to stir it up and we're going to leave it on medium-high heat for 2 minutes. Medium-high for 2 minutes. Okay, so now it's been 2 minutes. Stir it up a little bit. Right now you can smell the brown rice already. It smells so good. Okay. So we're going to add our chicken stock. We're using 32 ounces. We're going to add the whole 32 ounces. Stir it up slowly. Still in medium-high. Now we can add our Cajun seasoning. It's 2 tablespoons. We can add our black pepper, a little bit of black pepper. Salt. Stir it up. We're going to reduce the heat to medium. We're going to cover it and we're going to let it simmer for 25 minutes. Okay, at medium heat, we'll check it again in 25 minutes. Okay, so we turn off our stove. It's been 25 minutes already. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. And here you have it, Cajun Dirty Rice. Okay, so here we have our Cajun Dirty Rice. You can accompany the rice with Cajun chicken and potatoes, or with shrimps or fish or whatever you desire. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye.